The unique RECOIL two-way insert installation tool and magnetic tang brake tool. The next generation easy-to-use threaded insert installation tool features a convenient tap handle designed to turn the tap, eliminating the need for a tap wrench. It's a new breakthrough design that you can use to rethread the hole and install the insert. Here's how it works. Before you get started, drill out any damaged threads to prepare for the tap if needed. Then, using the correct size screw thread insert tap, rethread the hole to accommodate the insert. Next, with the collar flush to the insert, wind in the insert. Be sure to use a light downward pressure until the top coil is 1/4 to 1/2 turn below the surface. Drive the tang downward toward the bottom of the hole. Keep in mind that the driving collar should be set so that when the insert is compressed, the driving tang doesn't touch the bottom of the slot. Third, in order to use the original sized fastener, you need to remove the tang. To do this, RECOIL also offers a new specially designed magnetic tang brake tool. This unique tool breaks the tang of the insert, and the specially magnetized surface allows easy tang removal from blind holes. No other manufacturer offers this unique feature. The new RECOIL two-way insert installation tool and magnetic tang brake tool.
Arconic Fastening Systems, innovation engineered.